them. Right now, the first very important before we have to do elephant riding up, not elephant riding, elephant feed food to them. The first, right now we have to close up the elephant already. This elephant, that one, special elephant in here. They know because they learn about that people behavior, and then we close up. We have elephant around here, along the water here, around 250 elephants. Because of whole my country, from the north and the south, they have around 5,000 elephant, domestic elephant. Elephant like this, that they have from the grandmother of them, because they have many 100 years ago until right now. That guy, elephant have to believe the guy, only him, not us, because we don't have elephant there, the family they have elephant before. And then we have wild elephant in the jungle is about 10,000 for my country. For my country. The elephant of Asia elephant and South Africa elephant, they are different. In Asia elephant, you have to look in the front of them, the nail. In the front, 5. In the back over there, 4. In South Africa, in the front, 4. In the back, 3. They have the weight 2 meters, 0.4 meters high, tall. And South Africa, they have 5 to 6, so bigger than Asia elephant. The weight of elephant just only 3,000 to 4,000 kilograms. And then Africa 5,000 to 6,000 kilograms. The elephant they have long life, 60 to 80 years old. The elephant pregnant 2 years. Pregnant 2 years. When they have got a baby already, they have to waiting another 4 years to get a baby again. Elephant sleeping 4 hours. Elephant sleeping only 4 hours a day. 16 hours, elephant eating. And then they have to eating 200 kilograms until 300 kilograms a day. Elephant drinking water 80 liters until 100 liters a day. And then elephant pee and poo. Poo. One day around 18 times. 18 times. And then they have, even when they got a baby, elephant like people, the brain like people, they protect us, they protect the baby. And then after we feed them already here, we get a special for you. I have to tell you which is little one. Just only 19 days of baby. Let you come to be here for amazing elephant in Thailand. Right now, have to get your food, feed banana to elephant. How to get we have to feed the elephant to elephant. If you want to put the banana inside the mouth of the elephant, you just say bon bon. Say bon bon. They open the mouth and you can put them in here. Okay? You can take your banana to them. Bon bon. Put to them in here. Okay? So you're much happy with them. We feed them. Okay? The guy, the last one.
Give you a kiss.
Okay. Glasses off. Glasses okay.
Stand in front, faces.
Look at the photo. Oh God.
Stay there.
One more. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
Right now the time to have to feed the food to elephant. You feed them banana. Okay? Feed them banana. Okay? You can selfie with them. You can selfie. When you want to take a photo with elephant close up, you just put in the ground. You put in the ground. They have take and then you can come to close up them. No problem. Okay? Everyone please banana to elephant, okay?